Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your LegalZoom Will Services, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your LegalZoom Will Services, begin by navigating to the LegalZoom website. Once there, locate the Wills section on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You may need to create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a secure password. Once your account is set up, log in to access the will services. Next, select the type of will that fits your needs. This could be a simple will or a more complex estate plan. After selecting, you'll be prompted to fill out some personal information. This information typically includes your name, address, and marital status. Take your time to ensure all details are accurate. Once completed, review the information you've entered. Make any necessary adjustments before moving forward. Next, you will be guided through a series of questions to customize your will. These questions will help determine asset distribution and guardianship. Be thorough in your responses to ensure your wishes are reflected. After answering all questions, you'll see a summary of your will. Take a moment to review this summary carefully. When you're satisfied, proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method and confirm your order. Once you have completed your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will outline the next steps in the process. Follow the instructions in the email to access your completed documents. You can now download your will or have it sent to you via mail. Make sure to sign your will according to your state's legal requirements. Store your will in a safe place and inform your loved ones of its location. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your LegalZoom Will Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.